Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, 'tis I, here again on another night. Last night we did a whisky called Jura Journey from the Isle of Jura even. Well, tonight somebody has asked me to try Monkey Shoulder, so thought I'd give this a whirl, see what we all think about this. It's a lovely smell. Get a little glass, pour a bit of a measure. So to describe this, it's silky. There's like a fruity, it's silky, it's very smooth and silky. I can't put into words what it smells like. So this is the first ever smell, first ever taste. We'll see what it's like, shall we? It's very smooth. Just bear with me a sec. I don't know what I was expecting with it, but I was expecting it to be stronger in a way, but it's silky. That's all I can say, really. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's like I love the one that I had last night, the Jura Journey. There's something about that it's lovely, but this, it's like it's the same but more, if that makes sense. I don't suppose it does. It's like, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I'm not used to all this whiskey tasting or what have you, but Monkey Shoulder, it's beautiful. It really is. I could see me drinking a lot of this. I'm probably getting very drunk, but it's smooth. It's silky, almost creamy. No, cream is not the right word, but it's like, you draw on it when you breathe in, and it fills your mouth with that whiskey type taste, but there's something more to it that's, I can't actually describe it, but it is lovely. It is silky, it's smooth, and it's got that whiskey burn on your throat. I don't know what you call it, but you've got like a smoky texture to it in the aftertaste and what have you. But it is very pleasant, and it goes down really well. I've been lucky at the moment. I've started with a couple of really good good drinks. There's one the first one that I tasted as tasting that I haven't done a video for. I don't really want to say that one yet, because that is an absolutely, to me, it is a glorious taste, and it's one of them that if you're doing it for the first time, or you're trying it for the first time, it sort of spoils what have you, but it's slightly dearer than these two. I mean, this monkey shoulder, it is good. It is really good. And I'm gonna go back to compare it to Jura Journey. I've got to try that one when I finish this one, just for comparison's sake. But I don't know what to say. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I'm enjoying doing this, I've got to say. It is. It's great. My main love, apart from my partner downstairs, what have you, is pies, and hopefully by the end of this year, our cafe that we've got, creating these pies and all the other food and what have you. Who knows? Well, we might. Our aim is to take the pies on the road, get a pie van and this, that and the other. Perhaps we'll have to try and get some sort of license with the vehicle and do pie and whiskey, because I'm telling you at the moment, I'm loving the whiskey. Keep it real, keep it pie and whiskey, but it is rocking.